it's me again. I know you saw my last video, which a minute ago. It's just part 2. So right now, I'm also doing a giveaway for a Hot Wheels pack. And if you want some, make sure you do the same thing that I told you last video, which if your subscribe button is red, turn your phone upside down, up, like facing up, like my phone is right now. Click that subscribe button, make it gray, and turn on your notification bells. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, that's about it. But I know you didn't see this. I know I already saw that, but I wanted to show you. And I love cars in my life. I just think they're awesome. And I build BMX bikes. I just love part of my life and stuff. Especially having my own phone. And I love, I know it's Groundhog Day coming up, so yeah. Basically, bye. Peace.